Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Zone. Today I am going to discuss about the timeline and periods of English literature. For ease of study, literary scholars divide British into segments referred to as periods. While the exact number, dates, and names of these periods vary, the following lists confirm to widespread acceptance. Following the tables in chronological order is a brief description of each period and major writers within it. This period, also known as Anglo-Saxon period, in this period, literature refers to the literature produced from the invasion of Celtic England by German tribes in the first half of the 5th century to the conquest of England in 1066 by William the Conqueror. During the Old English period, written literature began to develop from oral tradition. One of the most well-known epic poems in this literature is Beowulf, a great Germanic epic poem. Two poets of the Old English who wrote on biblical and religious themes were Caedmon and Cynewulf. Middle English period consists of the literature produced in the 4.5 centuries between the Norman conquest of 1066 and about 1500, when the standard literary language derived from the dialect of London area became recognizable as modern English. The most widely known of these periods writings are Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tale, the anonymous Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, and Thomas Malory's Morte d'Arthur. In this period, the English literary renaissance began with English humanists such as Thomas More and Sir Thomas Watt. The English literary renaissance started consist of four subsets: the Elizabethan age, the Jacobean age, the Caroline age, the Commonwealth period, and the Commonwealth period, which is known as the Puritan interregnum. So in this video I am giving you just a simple glimpse of sketch as you can understand the period, and to know in detail about the writers and their writings, stay tuned to Literature Zone, where I shall discuss all the periods one by one and the belonging writers and their major writings. Neoclassical period was much influenced by contemporary French literature, which was in the midst of its greatest age. The literature of this age is known for its use of philosophy, reason, skepticism, wit, and refinement. The neoclassical period also marks the first great age of English literary criticism. The neoclassical period can be divided into three subsets. Number 1, the Restoration. Number 2, the Augustan. Number 3, the Age of Sensibility. The major writers belonging in this age are John Dryden, John Wilmot II, Earl of Rochester, and John Locke. Romantic period of literature began in the late 18th century and lasted until 1832. This period produced a wealth of authors including Samuel Taylor Coleridge, William Wordsworth, Jane Austen, and Lord Byron. And in this period, Gothic literature was born. Two of the most famous Gothic novelists are Anne Radcliffe and Mary Shelley. The Victorian period begins with the accession of Queen Victoria to the throne in 1837 and lasted until her death in 1901. In 1848, a group of English artists, including Dante and Gabriel Rossetti, formed the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood. The notable writers including this age were Charlotte Bronte, Charles Dickens, George Eliot, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, Oscar Wilde, G. M. Hopkins, and many notable writers. I shall discuss the detail about every writers and writings including the period in my next videos. To get the notification of the videos, subscribe Literature Zone and press the bell icon. This is named for the King Edward VII and spans the time from Queen Victoria's death to the beginning of World War I. During this time, the British Empire was at its height and the wealthy lived lives of materialistic luxury. The writers including this period were W. B. Yeats, Joseph Conrad, Rudyard Kipling, E. M. Forster. The modern period applies to British literature written since the beginning of World War I in 1914. Poets of this period include T. S. Eliot and Dylan Thomas. Novelists include James Joyce, D. H. Lawrence, and Virginia Woolf. Dramatists include Noel Coward and Samuel Beckett. Following World War II, the post-modern period of British literature developed. Post-modern blends literary genres and styles and attempts to break free of modernist forms.